No to unpaid labor. No to second-class health insurance. No to out-of-control premium increases. No to giving up grievance rights. No to fake raises that ignore inflation. This week, part-time faculty at the new school will have the opportunity to vote on the university administration's last, best, and final offer for a contract that would impact our working conditions and our students' learning conditions for the next 5 years. I'm going to go over 5 reasons why you should vote no. A vote no is saying no to unpaid labor. We know that teaching is more than contact hours in the classroom. When we brought up this issue at the bargaining table, the university's lead negotiator actually admitted that without unpaid labor, the university could not function, and then proceeded to write in a lawyerly solution to this problem by baking in all of our other out-of-classroom time into the very definition of contact hours. We believe that this definition of contact hours is too broad and opens up part-time faculty to potential abuse and exploitation. It aggressively denies the demands of part-time faculty to be recognized for our out-of-classroom labor. Voting no is saying no to second-class health insurance. While the university has claimed that their offer would expand healthcare eligibility for part-time faculty, based on the text of their offer, part-time faculty who do not earn enough to cover premiums on the standard part-time faculty plan would be pushed to a high-deductible health plan. They're designed for younger, healthy, able-bodied workers, not for working families. Faculty and their families covered under this plan would still have to pay thousands of dollars in out-of-pocket medical costs before the health insurance plans even kick in. Voting no is saying no to out-of-control premium increases. The university's offer includes an up to 10% increase on health insurance premiums year after year. A health insurance premium that costs $1,000 today could cost $1,610 5 years from now. These premium increases could wipe out any pay raises we might be getting over the course of this proposal. Voting no is saying no to giving up grievance rights. A grievance or dispute is an important official procedure that enables the union to file an official complaint when the management of the university, the administration of the university, does something that we deem to be in violation of our agreement. The university's last, best, and final offer has specific cutouts that would take away our rights to grieve in certain circumstances. The university has the unilateral right to change up our health plan coverage, and we would be giving up the ability to dispute or grieve this management decision. This is also the case in Article 7, which covers non-discrimination and anti-harassment. The university is refusing faculty the right to file union grievances with the help of a union rep and lawyer if we experience harassment or discrimination in the course of our work. This is a right which adjunct faculty at Fordham, NYU, and Barnard already have. Other employees at the new school, such as teaching assistants and custodians, are also entitled to this right. The new school, a social justice university, is refusing to provide part-time faculty with real recourse against harassment and discrimination, despite the fact that doing so would cost the university nothing. Voting no on the university's offer is saying no to fake raises that ignore inflation. Part-time faculty at the new school have not received a raise since 2018. In that time, inflation has gone up by over 18%. That means that a basket of groceries that cost $100 back in 2018 would cost over $118 today. The university is proposing a 7% pay raise in the first year of their proposed contract, but a 7% raise is still minus 11% in real earnings based on these increases in cost of living. My name is Lishan Huang. I'm a part-time assistant professor at Parsons. I'll be voting no, and I hope you will join me.